Hey guys, guess where I'm going today? Just kidding. Let's get into the video. Today guys, I'll be bringing you to a ride along today. So we'll be going into the town and also visiting my old school so you guys can see the site that we see when we were there. Let's go guys. So guys, this is where we usually come. Well, not every grade used to allow to come around here at the time, but I came around here anyways. So it was like 10th grade and 11th grade allowed to come around here because Jesus, they didn't come. They were worried that we would maybe fall over from here, so off of one of the rocks or something. Shit, take cover. Hey guys, so the rain is falling right now, so I really actually have to get in like one little shed thing. Plants, pretty much plants, to try and video around the battery area. So let's go guys. So the rain coming back down really hard, so definitely I've got shelter somewhere. This is a cafeteria sitting area that they made so that the students could be able to eat their lunch in peace. Yeah, because the space around there, so I mean a space is right here that you walk around right here where you can go at the cafeteria and get something to eat, but the sitting area is quite small. Up there wasn't exactly there when I was here, but it's like a third floor, only 2 floor right here was the only level that was there when I was here. Yep, so they're pretty much preparing for school, quote unquote school. Hey guys, I'm about to show you the edge. I mean, I used to have like science classes out here right under this tree. That is Navy Island right over there. Now there is the lighthouse. Can you imagine? This is what we saw every single day. See, it got rougher and rougher every time I come up here. Alright, so I'm about to show you the beach. Hopefully it's still there with the sand and everything. So we're taking a walk around to the next side. Used to be the beach. It is still a beach, but I mean, the tide coming so far. It's mostly just sea right now. So this is a jumbling tree. Let me just pick one. Let's see how it tastes. So as usual. I am going back up to just give you a bit more view of the school itself. And 8th graders over there, so pretty much used to call it Portmore, because over there had like fire when sun shine. Over here so the B block. So the B block is for 9th graders and art students and IT students. The bus and the netball court. Definitely I'm a star. I was supposed to be a sunshine girl, but circumstances, yep, that not happened. But yeah, star of the school, man, star of the school.